Hi everyone, my name is Madhav Shyam. Welcome to Volume 2 of my Intro to Ziva VFX course. In this volume, we're going to continue the build of our sources asset from Volume 1. We're going to start off with a little bit of Python scripting and editing of zBuilder scripts to quickly transfer over our arm setup from Volume 1 to the remaining arms on our character rig. We will then finish the build process of the entire body and run it through a complete muscle, fat, and skin pass. On completing the sources asset, we will look into a few specialized classes to go over concepts such as machine learning, couple simulation, and anatomy wrapping between different creatures. We will explore alternative ways to build Ziva setups that will help take traditional simulation rigs from 2-hour solves to under 50 minutes to as little as 17 minutes to complete. Finally, we'll look into building a Bison simulation rig in under 2 hours with a little help from Ziva's anatomy transfer tool. There's plenty to cover in this course. I hope you all enjoy it.